In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Docs landscape mode. If you need your document to be wider instead of taller, landscape mode is the setting you're looking for. This is especially useful for things like tables, charts, images, schedules, or any content that needs more horizontal space on the page. The good news is that changing this setting in Google Docs is quick and simple. To get started, open your Google Doc. Make sure you're inside the document you want to edit because the page orientation setting will apply to that file. Once your document is open, look toward the top left corner of the screen. There, click on File. This will open the main drop-down menu where Google Docs keeps several document settings and options. If you're new to Google Docs, this is also where you'll find things like download options, sharing tools, and print settings. But for this tutorial, we're focusing on the page layout. From the File menu, click on Page Setup. This opens a small settings window that lets you control how the document page is formatted. In this window, you'll usually see options for page color, margins, paper size, and orientation. The orientation section is the one that matters here. Under Orientation, click on Landscape. By default, many Google Docs are set to portrait mode, which is the standard vertical page layout. Switching to landscape changes the page so it becomes horizontal, giving you more room from left to right. This can make certain types of content much easier to read and arrange neatly. After selecting landscape, click OK to confirm the change. As soon as you do that, your document will update to the new page orientation. And that's it. Your Google Doc is now in landscape mode. As a quick tip, after changing the orientation, you may want to review the formatting of your document. Images, tables, and spacing can sometimes look a little different once the page layout changes, so it's worth taking a moment to make sure everything still appears the way you want. If needed, you can always return to the same page setup menu and switch back. This is a simple setting, but it can make a big difference in how your document looks and how easy it is to present information clearly. If you're working on a layout that feels too cramped in portrait view, landscape mode is often the fastest fix. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to make Google Docs landscape mode.